Okay guys, welcome back to a new video on my channel. Today I'm going to be playing with my friend Dylan.
Hello
right
guys.
Here. That's King
Grab,
Dylan.
grab. Oh shoot.
So we're going to be playing a role play of air simulator. What's it again?
Oh, what's the grab?
Okay.
Oh god, no, I'm going crazy. No.
Okay, so Dylan's over there just failing. And yeah. So we're gonna attempt to actually play, but
Oh god, oh crap. Oh crap, John.
Can you stop?
Hold up. Wait, am I on the ground? Okay, no, I'm not. Oh my god. Alright, hold up.
I asked you to be funny, but you're being like, oh god. This is a good way to start a video.
Okay.
Oh, okay, keep still going.
Oh god.
Okay, he does not know when to stop. Are you gonna stop?
I'm stopping. I put reverse thrust on and brake.
Okay. You're not stopping.
Just, I'm slowing down, okay?
Jesus Christ. Oh.
I feel a little sick, actually. Just looking at the screen, turning. Alright.
Okay, so you're done. Okay, stop for a second. Oh my god, I'm so sick.
Well, I need to get on the line.
Okay.
I need to get on the line.
You need to get on the line. Try and park a little close to the building, please. Over here, Dylan.
This is perfect alignment.
Oh, go over there. Yeah, go right over there. Exactly right over there.
Perfect alignment.
Oh, now you're talking about alignment when you just like crashed all over. Okay, guys. So while we're waiting for Dylan to set up and stuff, remember to subscribe to the video if you like the video at the end, and give it a like and comment down below what you want.
So is there a
me
board
to
on
do.
this thing, John?
No. Also subscribe. No, not subscribe. Comment down below if you want me to do another video with Dylan in it. So yeah.
Alright, John, get on the plane, dude.
Okay, I'm gonna get in the plane. I'm gonna jump out. Yeah. Oh god, I'm stuck in the plane. I guess my character likes sitting down a lot.
But I think you have to maybe like jump on.
You know what you gotta do? You gotta put down the ramps.
How?
Like you usually do.
No, I don't know how to.
Oh god, I can't even do this. Okay.
But what's X?
I don't know. Press X. Press all the buttons. I got on. I'm in. Okay.
Alright, you're my co-pilot. Get in.
Assistant. Ooh, wait. Oh, you could have pressed these buttons on the side. When you press on, now it's open. See?
Well, I can't do that.
Oh, that could have been so much easier. Okay. It looks like we are ready.
Oh wait, where's the runway?
I can take off too. I hope you know. I'm in control right now.
No, I'm in control.
With the throttle right now. No, you're lying. Okay. Oh, Dylan's over there. Oh my god, this looks so weird. Okay.
Hey, hold up. Where's the runway? Oh crap. Oh shoot. I messed up.
As you can see, Dylan is not that good at driving. Get Dylan.
Hey, am I going too fast?
I think so. Just, oh my god, why are you, okay, good, you actually are doing something. It just looks so weird looking at you, just driving.
Okay. Sometimes I get a little impatient.
Okay, I'm getting impatient right now, hurry up.
Okay, I'm hurrying. I'm hurrying up.
What was that?
I was choking. Oh my god. John, we have to restart over again. My mom's thinking messed it
I
up.
can cut it out, Dylan.
Mom, okay, Mom.
I'm cutting it out, Dylan. This is not going in the
Stick it
video.
in, okay?
This is not going in the video. We don't have to restart. I have an editing software.
So just keep it in, whatever. I don't really know.
It's just like I game it. I can like do a thumbnail that everyone's gonna watch. Dylan's parents just like scare him. Okay, I'm getting impatient. Come on, please.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, we're ready. Can we do we'll do a part 2 of me driving.
Okay.
Let's say I want to go to the purple island. No, the green. Bring me to the green island,
Green?
will you? Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Now let's say he's ready.
I'm getting ready.
The airport is all clear.
My taxi light on.
You are ready to take off.
My strobe.
Okay, I'm getting really impatient.
Okay.
Looks like I do not have a face. Okay. Would you be mad if I touched the ramps while you were driving?
Don't you dare, John. You're gonna mess up the plane. I'm not kidding. I've done it before.
Oh, I really want to do it.
Alright. Rush all the way up. Plane is picking up speed.
It really isn't. On my screen, you're going like a mile per hour. Hurry up!
It's going, okay?
It's going, okay. Oh, God.
Okay, why is it going so slow?
Because your flaps are probably on.
No, they're not.
Is your throttle all the way up? I'm helping you. Your throttle's not even up. Oh, now it's better. I'm putting up the throttle.
Oh, God, taxi. Okay.
I just put up the
Oh, what the
throttle.
crap? It looks like I'm underwater. But I'm not.
Wow. Ooh, oh my God.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I'm gonna throw up.
Hold on. I gotta put my ear key.
I would never fly in your plane again.
Oh God. Alright.
Oh my God, you need help.
I'm going up. Wait, are we going to purple?
No, I said green. You're so.
Oh, okay.
It's
Sorry.
close. Oh my God, it's a big sway. Oh my God.
I'm sorry.
Don't apologize. Just do it.
No, I think it's stalling. Oh crap. No, I'm too.
No, don't stall. Don't stall. That's the last thing I want. Okay, throttle down, dude. Jesus
Okay, I
Christ.
gotta do G gear.
Yeah. Oh my God. Oh, you.
No, why am I? What? Oh, why?
Uh-oh.
Nope. I gotta redo it.
No, you got it. Go down. Oh my God.
I gotta redo it. Oh crap.
We're old, Dylan.
I'm sorry. I messed up, okay? Alright. I'm gonna remember to put my flaps on.
Yep.
And then reverse thrust.
Dude, you got like a minute and
Over
a half.
landing.
You got a minute and a half until the recording stops, so you better hurry. Get one more try.
Now
Yes.
flaps.
Yes, this is good. Good, Mom.
Alright. No, oh my god. No, what's happening?
Hold
Oh
up.
god.
Okay,
Oh god.
you're good.
No, what's happening?
You're good.
You're
good. You're good. Okay, reverse thrusters. Oh my God, you are bad. The thing is, like,
Oh crap, we're reaching the end of the runway, John.
well, oh my God. No, it's fine. It's fine. Just turn the plane around. Okay, you're good. It's all good, man. Oh God.
Oh god, no.
Do you need help? Okay.
Oh god, no, we're stalling.
Okay, guys. So that's the end of the video.
Oh god.
Dylan tried his best, but I guess we're gonna have to end it. Like, actually, then we have to end it before. Yeah. So this was flying with King Dylan the best, and yeah, guys. See you guys in the next video where I'm gonna be driving the plane. Okay? Oh my God. Okay, guys. See you in the next video.